In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create Airtable form. Let's begin. So once you head over to airtable.com, you'll go to the top and you're going to have different tabs. There's going to be data, automations, interfaces, and forms. What we're looking for is forms, so select it. And then it says build your first form. You can either start from scratch or view templates. So let's view the templates for now. So there's going to be a bunch of templates in which you can use. There's the bug report form, IT request form, creative request form, and so on. Let's use this one for example, product feedback form. Select it, then head over to the right side and select use template. Then it'll say that it is creating the template. And you'll see the name of the form in the top left corner. You can also change the name of the form by just going to the top left, selecting the drop-down option, and then changing the name. You can even change the color and appearance of the interface. If you simply want to add in more details to your form, simply head over to the plus icon here. Then simply click on it, and then you can also change your feedback ID, status, and then type. Then you can also add in screenshots by dropping files, or you can browse your computer. Alternatively, if you want to create another form, you can just go to the bottom left corner. Then you'll see something which says form. Select the plus icon, then select continue. Then on the left side, it's going to show you all the forms that you've created. You can add a cover page, change the text, the heading, and then you can also add in a description. If you want to change the appearance, you can head over to the right side here. Screenshots and email. If you want to publish the form, go to the top right and select publish form. Then you can share your form, and then it says who can access this form. So you can choose anyone at a domain, anyone on the web, it's your choice. Once you're happy, select the copy link, and then you can just paste the link or send the link to anybody so that they can view the form. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.